So I think you all had a chance to go back and work on the components that we created in last session, right? The objects, tabs, apps, fields, that is what we created, right? And in our last session, we were talking about, objects called project, clients, consultants. So let me go back to my Excel sheet. The first one that I designed there was projects. Second was clients.
Hello.
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 Steve, this is Master.
Hey Mantha, tell me.
Actually, there is one participant in the class. I'm trying to ask him who his recruiter is, but I didn't get his response. So I thought of just asking him now.
Shyam?
Yeah.
Yeah, Shyam is a participant who I have allowed.
Oh, okay. Okay. Can I call you on your mobile?
Now?
I just need to talk for 2 minutes. Yeah.
Yep, sure.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks. While creating a new contact, you would have realized that there is a field called account, right? And when you click on this, it takes you to the list of all the accounts from where you can select which one you want to select, right? So this is a relationship. This is connecting this contact record with an account record. A similar kind of a setup we need here on the project, so that we can connect every project to a corresponding client to understand that which is the, what do you call this, relationship, or which record is connected to which record, which project has come from which client, right? So that is what we need to set up here. So let's go into this. So usually, this relationship can be of three types, as I told you, right? One-to-one. One-to-one means one client record can be connected to only one project, and one project can be connected to only one client. So one client, one project can be connected. Okay. One-to-many is many projects can be connected to one client, right? So from a client, I can get multiple projects. So that is a one-to-many. Okay. Many-to-many is the situation where multiple records from this object can be connected to multiple records of this object. Many-to-many will be a case between projects and consultants. Let's say you have 10 consultants in your company and you have 4 projects in the company. One consultant can work on multiple projects, right? And in one project you can have multiple consultants as well. So that is a kind of many-to-many relationship. So it's very simple. So where there is a connection where one record can be connected only to one record from both the sides, it is a one-to-one. If one record can be connected to a number of records on the other side, it's a one-to-many. If multiple records from one object can be connected to multiple records of the other object, it's a many-to-many. It's very simple in that case. So the most common relationship in database, in case we have seen the relational database management system earlier, the most common relationship is one-to-many. Okay. And here also, if you see, client and project is a one-to-many relationship. One client can be connected to multiple projects. So in case you have a client, let's say Accenture is a client. So from Accenture you may get 3-4 projects. That way it can be there, right? So here we need a one-to-many relationship. So simple things that we need to understand. I think you might be already aware of it, but still let me just give you a little brief of it. So whenever there is a relationship, most of the times it's one-to-many. For a one-to-many relationship, we need to understand who is the parent and who is the child. So in this case, If we talk about the relationship between client and project, client is the parent and project is the child. That is it, right? One client can have multiple projects. So client is the parent, project is the child. So wherever there is a concept of relationship, you need to understand which is the parent, which is the child, and it's very simple to understand, right? If it's a one-to-many relationship and the side or the object on which one record is connected to multiple records on the other side, so one record object will be parent. So that is how it is. Now next thing, how do you establish the relationship? We have identified the parent and the child. How do we establish the relationship in the database form? Create a relationship field in the child object. Create a relationship field in the child object. As simple as that. Nothing else. So relationship field is again a field type. The way we had date, time, email, phone, URL, all the field types we had. Similarly, we have another field type which is called a relationship field type. Okay. You just need to go and create that relationship field type. So relationship is being established through field. That is what we see here also in account and contacts. On the contact, what do we have? We have a field with the account name. This is a lookup kind of a field. It will connect you to the other object. So that is how simple it is. So what we need to do? We just need to create a relationship field on the child object. So which is my child object here? Project. So yesterday we created project and client, both the objects. So I already have this object. I need to go and create a relationship field there. Let's go and create. It's pretty simple. Just go to setup, create objects, new custom object, no, why new custom object? We should go to the existing object, right? Which is the existing object? Project. Okay. So we need to create a field on this object. Go to the, see, custom fields and relationships. So just click on new. When you try to create a new field, you see there are two relationship options: lookup relationship and master detail relationship. Okay. Two relationship fields are available. You'll have to select one of these. Okay. Now, how do you decide which one you have to select? There are two relationship field types which are available. One is lookup, one is master detail. Now, which one to select? That is something that you have to decide. So to decide that, we have to understand what is the difference between these two. Okay. So let me just give you the difference between these two. These are names, lookup and master detail. Let's understand what are the differences. In lookup relationship, relationship